Hi, good morning. This is Kelley from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here talking about our knit club for this month. And it is a wonderful cowl, and I'm wearing it, and it's using the lovely Sueno. And if you guys haven't, you use the worsted weight Sueno, but this time you get to use the DK weight Sueno. And this Sueno is so lovely. It feels even softer than the worsted weight one. And I love the color selections that we chose this month. What I love about it is it almost looks black. So it's very much a neutral. So it's totally fantastic. Now, also in our kit, we had this lovely bag. It's a project bag for you. And this is your goodie for this month. And I will talk to you about our pattern. This pattern's from Jana Markova. And she is a wonderful designer. I did add a few touches to our cowl to make it even a little more exciting for you and have a few more skills for you to learn. The things that I added to the pattern were the slip stitch edge. And so you'll be working on learning how to do a slip stitch edge. And you're gonna be doing an I-cord. It's a 2-color I-cord bind off. So you get to learn that new skill. And then we do this cowl, and it's knit flat using the lovely Sueno. One thing I wanted to bring to your attention is as you're going along, you may see repeat 11 and 12. And if you look back at 11 and 12, it says DSSP, but on that section, it may tell you to insert a GSP, which is a garter stitch pattern, in place of the double seed stitch pattern. So what that tells you is that you're going to continue slipping your edges as you have been, and you're going to be doing increases every other row, but instead of doing the seed stitch pattern, you're going to be doing a garter stitch pattern. That is the difference with that. And it's totally fun. You get to learn how to recognize your seed stitch pattern and how to keep that on track, because I go over that with you. And then we work on seaming at the end, and you get to practice a whole lot of skills this month. So I'm very excited for you. I hope you like the project. And as always, if you have any questions, don't forget to ask us, and I will address those for you so that you can be successful in your project while you're having a great time. This project's a lot easier than some of the projects that we've done. So I suppose that many of you will zoom right through it and be showing me your finished projects in short order. So you guys enjoy the Knit Club project, and I will be talking to you soon.